for helping me.
Oh, yeah. He walks in circles. He's so stupid. Hey, guys. It's unlocked. Yeah, it's unlocked. We have to just pull the door. Stupid. Oh, man. Damn good.
Why?
Oh yeah. Damn. Damn, it's painful. Stop slamming the. Yep. Stop slamming the fucking door. Damn. Jeez, I keep telling you how many fucking times not to slam the door and you still fucking do it. Damn. Fucking dumbass bitch. Damn, sorry. Stop fucking apologizing. That doesn't fucking help at all. You still keep doing it. Dumbass bitch. Sheesh. Hey, so dumb. More dumb than anybody else.
Skywide is a prescription medicine for adults with HR-positive, HER2-negative breast cancer, cervical, or metastatic cancer, and who have received hormone therapy and at least 2 additional treatments for metastatic disease. In the clinical trial, half of patients receiving Trodelvy were alive at 14 months compared to 11 months for traditional treatment. Trodelvy can cause severe or life-threatening side effects, including low white blood cell count, which can lead to infections, diarrhea, and allergic reactions. Do not take Trodelvy if you are allergic to it. Other serious side effects include nausea, vomiting, and infusion reactions. Tell your doctor right away if you experience any signs of infection while taking Trodelvy. If you are or plan to be pregnant or breastfeeding, or if you have liver problems, tell your doctor about all the medicines and supplements you take that have autoimmune conditions. There are other side effects of Trodelvy. Ask your doctor about Trodelvy and visit Trodelvy.com.
Guess what I just did? I downloaded the new Grocery Outlet app on my phone. Let me tell you, it's like having my own miniature neighborhood grocery outlet right by my side. I can see what's in stock, my savings, and exclusive offers. Even create a shopping list and get a heads up on those crazy, insane bargains. All on my phone. Download the app today. Available for iOS and Android. Grocery Outlet, bargain market. Your favorite podcasts are a bit like close friends. They get you through long commutes, tough workouts, and more. And TuneIn has your favorite shows right on deck. Whether you love cracking mysteries with true crime pods, or catching up on news and sports with daily recap shows, it's all here. Or find some new faves with top shows like The Daily
This
News.
is the today, and called Chuck Schumer a loser. Now, he's striking
The stuff you should know.
I'm good. I'm thrilled about this one. Yeah, I love like mysteries, especially like real life mysteries, true crime, although this isn't necessarily crime. And to run across one that's like,
Pod Save America.
welcome to Pod Save America. I'm John Favreau.
I'm Melissa Mastromonaco.
I'm John Lovett. I'm Dan Viper. Also joining us here today, Michigan State Senator Mallory McMorrow.
And for Hear It Here on TuneIn.
Nice tattoos on it. Oh.